Today we have received from Triazon and Gund the P.Lushes Secret Garden box. So we're going to give this an open and see what we've got. Colton, can you help me open? Ooh, look at all the glitter.
What?
Wow. So looks like we have got 12 P.Lush pets in here. And there they all are. Oh, they're so pretty. Let's see what we've got. Oh, they're really soft too. Let's see, this one, what is this one named? Daisy. She loves daisies. And they all have a birth date and they all have a hometown. Very cute. I love her eyes. All the sparkly detail. What else have we got? Oh, this one might be my favorite so far. After looking at all of those initially, I love all the flowers on this bunny rabbit. This one is Flora Carrots. Very cute. This one looks like some kind of a cat named Quinn. I'm sorry, it's a bear. Quinn Obersi. Very cute. And we've got a puppy dog here named Anna Dolce. Very cute roses. Ooh, I like this one. Is this one a lion? Francesca Confetti. She loves gardenias. Very cute. She also has lots of sparkles, some holographic kind of sparkles on her. And then this one is called Rebecca Aurora, and she loves tiger lilies. Imagine that, being a tiger. They each have a collar on them, it looks like, with some glitter. Some kind of foil detail. The ears are really soft. They are so soft. And an elephant. Let's see, her name is Willa Burke and she loves hibiscus. Very pretty, kind of that minky fabric on her. You can see a bit of the detail. Ooh, this one's so pretty. Priscilla Plume, and she loves begonias. Look at the feathers on her back. Aren't those pretty? I love her. And of course we have a unicorn here with some pretty butterfly wings. She's Mariah Monarch and she loves lilacs. So cute. A koala. Coco Melby loves palm trees. I love all the vibrant colors. So pretty. Love her. Oh, this one is so sweet. What's her name? She's stuck. This one is April Fior, and she loves tulips. Oh, look, she's got some pretty flowers in her fabric. Very cute. And the last one, this one looks like, this is Sophia Lopez, and she loves marigolds. Very pretty. Beautiful. So we're really excited to get these out and play with them and see what we can come up with, all kinds of games. Thanks.